Hello everyone, I am Prerna and today I am here to discuss about golden rules of accounting. Looking at the nature of all the accounts, the accounting rules have been devised. For each account there is a set of golden rules and hence there are 3 golden rules of accounting. So first of all, the types of accounts are: first is real accounts, second is personal account and the last one is nominal account. सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं रियल अकाउंट्स. The principle applied here is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. This rule is applicable to all assets of the business like plant and machinery, land, building, furniture, etc. Real account involves assets of business. Organization or firm has a debit balance by default. So when we do debit what comes in, we are adding to the existing account balance of the organization. This is exactly what needs to be done. Similarly, when we do credit what goes out, we are reducing the account balance when a tangible asset goes out of the organization. Next is personal account. The principle applied here is debit the receiver and credit the giver. This rule is applicable to persons, artificial persons and representative persons like Ashok and Sons, etc. Which means जब एक इंसान किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कुछ देता है तो वो वस्तु उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए इनफ्लो हो जाती है. That means when a person gives something to an organization, it becomes an inflow in the books of organization and therefore the person must be credited in the books of accounts. At the end we have nominal account. Principle applied here is debit all expenses and incomes and credit all incomes and profits. This rule is applicable to all expenses, incomes, profits and losses like salary, wages, etc. This rule is applicable when the account in question is a nominal account. So the question arises, what is a nominal account? Nominal account is an account recording the financial transactions of a business in a particular category rather than with a person or other organization. The capital of the company is a liability. We all know जो हमारी capital होती है किसी भी organization की वो liability होती है. Therefore, it has a default credit balance. So, जब हम सारी इनकम्स एंड प्रॉफिट्स को क्रेडिट करते हैं हम कैपिटल को इंक्रीज कर देते हैं एंड जब हम अपने एक्सपेंसेस को और लॉसेस को डेबिट करते हैं हम कैपिटल को डिक्रीज कर देते हैं. दैट्स ऑल अबाउट द गोल्डन रूल्स ऑफ अकाउंटिंग. थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे एट योर प्लेस एंड स्टे सेफ एवरीवन.